Tesla's highly anticipated Shanghai factory has entered its initial stages of construction, marking a significant milestone for the electric vehicle giant as it ventures into the world's largest automotive market. Situated in Lingang, the factory covers a sprawling area of 210 acres and will be Tesla's first fully owned production facility. Outside the United States, its strategic location allows for easy access to Shanghai's extensive transportation network, boosting efficiency and reducing delivery times. The early construction focuses on land flattening and infrastructure development, creating a solid foundation for the ambitious project. Tesla aims to accelerate the process by deploying advanced construction techniques, including prefabrication and modular construction. Ensuring rapid progress while maintaining high production standards, this factory holds immense significance in Tesla's global expansion plans, enabling them to tap into China's growing demand for electric vehicles while mitigating the impact of trade tensions. Anticipated to begin production in late 2019, the factory will initially focus on manufacturing Model 3 vehicles for the local market. Celebrated for its commitment to sustainability, Tesla's Shanghai factory will incorporate energy-efficient design principles and utilize renewable energy sources. The adoption of cutting-edge technologies and automation will further enhance the production capabilities while adhering to Tesla's renowned quality standards. The construction of Tesla's Shanghai factory represents a pivotal step in the company's mission to revolutionize the automotive industry, accelerate the global transition to sustainable transportation, and solidify its position as a dominant player in the Chinese market. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all my latest content.